Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare chicken fry. First, ensure your chicken pieces are uniform in size for even cooking. Thoroughly clean the chicken, then pat it dry. Next, marinate the chicken with your chosen spices and herbs for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Finally, gather all your remaining ingredients, like flour and oil, before you begin the cooking process. Now, let's get that perfect crispy coating. Start by preparing a seasoned flour mixture with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. In a separate bowl, whisk a couple of eggs for an egg wash. Dip each chicken piece into the egg wash, allowing excess to drip off, then dredge it thoroughly in the seasoned flour, ensuring an even and complete coating on all sides. It's time to fry. Heat about 3 inches of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until it's a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack set over a baking sheet to drain any excess oil. This helps keep the chicken wonderfully crispy. Serve your delicious, homemade fried chicken hot with your favorite side dishes, like mashed potatoes or coleslaw. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to some great car air freshener deals, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.